At Crypto Space is back with another Russell update for you guys. Russell back at 5 mil market cap. When we covered it recently, it was at 4.5 mil market cap. Again, in my opinion, excuse me, just had breakfast. Don't overinvest in any project. Manage your risk and look for great entries, right? Look for solid entries that could lead to potential massive upside. Russell has been in this massive accumulation phase for around a year. If you guys follow Murad with SPX 6900, he always says look for projects. Let me pull up Russell on chain for you guys. Pulling up Russell on chain so I could chart it more easier. He always says look for multiple projects that have, look for projects, not multiple, look for projects that have endured multiple 80%, 70 to 90% drawdowns. That was one 70% drawdown. That was a 90% drawdown. Two, that was another 90% drawdown. Three, right? This was another 83% drawdown for Russell. So that was like 4 to 5. 70 to 90% drawdowns on Russell. Has the coin died? Nope. Is it still here, still kicking? Is the CTO team and community still thriving? Is the community growing despite this consolidation accumulation range, this massive accumulation range, the multiple drawdowns? Yes, it's still growing, right? And now we have another recent drawdown, right? 70%, 72%. All of these multiple drawdowns, right? The next stop for Russell, once it breaks all-time high, 26 million. I don't know what the catalyst is. You think I expected Elon Musk to tweet Russell, tweet a reply to Russell? No way, I did not, right? I bought this pullback at 3.5 mil here after Brian Armstrong made the Christmas tweet. It went to 8.6 mil, waited, made the video, bought at 3.3 mil, 3.5 mil, made the video for you guys, right? And then what's next, right? I don't know what the catalyst will be in the future, but Russell will eventually break this previous all-time high. And once it does, after, you know, all this distribution, all this consolidation, it's going to do a massive run. I mean, it's going to billions from here. Zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. It's going to billions from here. I'm telling you, those are my targets, and I'm not going to go against that. So that's why I say even 100,000 Russell tokens at this stage is a great buy to have. You don't have to break the bank. You don't have to put 5K into a meme coin. You don't. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, okay? So that's $537 right now. 537 not 5,000. 530, yeah. 503, yeah. $503.70. Or you could just do $505. Let's do that. $505 gets you 100,000 Russell, okay? And I think that is a great buy. I think that is a great investment. Yes, it's an investment. Why? Because it always has the catalyst of Brian Armstrong bull posting, Brian Armstrong interacting. And when we enter a bullish phase once again, if we saw Toshi go to $1 billion market cap because of it being Coinbase's Brian Armstrong's Coinbase CEO pet cat, went to $1 billion market cap. Myro on Solana, Toli's pet dog, went to 400 mil market cap. I think Russell is $1 billion coin, if not multi-billion-dollar coin, right? Yanri, hold tight. Russell, holder and lover, don't sell. $10 target, frenzy bearish. Elon Musk will send Russell to billions. $10 price prediction, right? $10 price, but $1 billion market cap to 10 billion market cap, very possible. I mentioned like Nero, I mentioned Floki. Look at how many dog coins went to billions of market cap. Nero last year. Remember, the owner of Dogecoin, the original Dogecoin dog. Let me show you guys on chain. I just pulled up Nero. The original owner of the Dogecoin dog, before it became a meme. Remember, Dogecoin passed away. The original dog passed away, right? But she adopted a new pet dog, right? And I broke it down for you guys. I drew the lines as well too, right? Russell is in the same spot Nero is, right? So Nero is the new Dogecoin that was adopted, it's a new it's a new dogecoin that was adopted, and people that bought here down here at 3 mil market cap, I bet you they didn't feel that great doing so. People that bought here at 16 mil market cap, I bet you they didn't feel great doing so, right? But when they did, and they were patient, what happened? Catalyst happened, massive expansion, and then you saw Nero, another dog coin, go to 1.3 billion market cap, right? You could say market conditions were different, but you don't think market conditions will be great like this once again in the future? I think they will be. I wouldn't be in crypto if I didn't think that. I'd be trading stocks and making this it would be called stock spaces or gold and silver spaces. It wouldn't be called, my channel would not be called crypto spaces, right? So I think you see what Nero did, that is pretty much, that's what's going to happen for Russell. That's what I'm calling for. As you can see, it's so small and zoomed out, this previous price action here, until it went into its expansion. But you see, like, it had the multiple drawdowns, right? It's just such on a smaller time frame because, you know, now that Nero went to billions, it feels like so tiny, right? It's around here is the same market cap that Russell is, right? Boom, 90% drawdown, right? Boom, 90% drawdown, 80% drawdown. Another one right here. Another one right here, right? Boom, 80% drawdown. Boom, another, what's that? 80% drawdown, and then massive expansion. All of this price action don't mean jack crap. And then straight to 1.3 billion market cap. I think that is what Russell is gonna do in the future. It's gonna make a move like Nero, right? And you know, Nero is not done. Eventually there's gonna be another catalyst for Nero in the future, right? So same thing with Russell. There's always gonna be a catalyst for Russell because it's Brian Armstrong's pet dog. There's always going to be a catalyst. I don't know what it's gonna be. No one could have told me Elon would reply to them. I didn't expect that would happen. That happened literally the day after I bought. I don't know what's gonna be the next catalyst, but there will always be one. And the community and the CTO team are still pushing. I'm still pushing. So I think a billion market cap for Russell is definitely in the cards.